is our big client presentation. I hope you all follow the checklist exactly because each step is crucial. And skipping them, well, let's say it never ends well. Okay, I know it's late already, but I hope you guys do the best for tomorrow. It's a very important day for us. I will be at my office if you need anything. So, this is your document, your each document. So, Masanizan, you will be responsible for design. And Aziza, you're going to responsible on full research. And then for Mickey, you and Agnes will be responsible for the full procedural control. Wasting my time.
Aziza, can you send over the client research? Aziza, on the design content.
This is our client, Mimi. So, where is the work I gave to you last night? This is yours.
Yes.
Good job, Mickey. Good job. And the research is going good, right? And I guess your work. Why you didn't mind? You just take it. And our client today will listen to Mickey and the team progresses. First.